a conference which probably you would have not.
Sir, introduce yourself.
I am Advocate Kundalik Writer. To my right is Mr. Xavier Fernandez, Xavier Almeida, Camilo Diaz, Cecil, Camilo Fernandez, and Robert Falcon. Now, these two gentlemen are the farmers who are affected. Means people who are actually affected in that survey number 56, 53 bar, whatever that survey number is. Now, before I start, what is the reason for organizing this press conference? Now, you are all aware that on 30th of last month, we were unwarrantedly arrested and for no fault of us. Before that, we are told, that's what we come to know now, that some 341 case IPC has been registered against us. There is an FIR registered for doing what? For standing up for the truth. And this is happening for the first time in Talegaon in the last 18 years, that people are rising against the draconian rule of a person who is controlling entire Talegaon as his fiefdom. Now, coming to the point. 30 तारखेर आम्ही एक ॲप्लिकेशन घातलें पंचायतीन सकाळचें आनी सांगलें अंडर सिटीजन चार्टर ऑफ द पंचायती राज और द डिरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायत आनी सांगलें की डॉक्युमेंट जे आसा जाग्याचे हे जे 53 बार 5 to 12 सर्वे नंबर आसा तेजे एक्विजिशनचे डॉक्युमेंट जे तुमी आसा म्हणटा पळय आपल्या कडेन न्ही ते रिपोर्ट मारला तें एक्विजिशन जाला म्हणून आमकां दिवचे आनी सांगलें तांकां म्हाका ते डॉक्युमेंट आजच्यान आज दी कित्याक तुमी सांगला की डॉक्युमेंट तुमचे कडेन आसा म्हणून आज पासून ताणें आमकां डॉक्युमेंट दिवना बट Agnello Punya has made a statement in the press. Documents आसा तुमकां जाय जाल्यार पळया आमी मागता डॉक्युमेंट दिया म्हणून आमकां डॉक्युमेंट्स पूण तुमी आमकां डॉक्युमेंट दिना कित्याक दिना तुमी आमकां डॉक्युमेंट बिकॉज यू नो वेरी वेल that there is something fishy in the entire expedition. The expedition of trying to disrobe or cheat bona fide farmers of their lands. जे आसा पळय तुमकां खबर आसा ताका लागून तुजी ना 30 तारखेर कितें जालें आमी जेन्ना डॉक्युमेंट दिले आमकां डॉक्युमेंट दिवना पुणून पुलीस हाडले कितली जाणां आशिल्लीं आमी सर्टनली वी वर अराउंड 4 or 5 people who are this is not the first time that we are fighting. Cecil is also, she has joined a little bit, maybe last 2-3 years she is there. Me and Xavier is fighting for the last nearly 15 years. That this should be, that the land should be, fields should be protected. And the consequences of it has been shot by COVID to us. So we पहिले फाट करना है. And always, we have always believed that we have to go by the law. We have to do things legally. I myself am a lawyer. I know the limits of law. I know how much liberty I can take with law and what liberties I cannot take with law. So that day we did not do anything illegal. But 30 तारखेर आमकां illegally detain केलें, detained arrest. 7-8 वरां 9 वरां आमकां पुलीस स्टेशनान दवरले आनी सांजे आमकां सोडले. हरशीं आमकां डिटेन करून रोखडेच सोडूंक वताले but we were made to file for bail and then we were released. The problem is not getting arrested. None of us are worried about that. But the problem is the way things are being handled. आता coming to the point. सरपंचान कितें घेतलें प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतलें आनी एक तर पर्सनल एलिगेशन्स केले तो म्हणटा कितें एडवोकेट पुंडलीक रायकर इज इंटरफियरिंग इन सम फील्ड इंसिडेंटली दॅट फील्ड आय एम फायटिंग अ केस इन द कोर्ट इंटरफियरन्स इज दॅट इंटरफियरन्स वेर पंचायत इज अ पार्टी एंड आई एम प्रिटी श्योर द लॉ विल टेक इट्स ओन कोर्स बट द पॉइंट इज दिस दैट पर्सनल एलिगेशन्स she will explain her personal allegations against Xavier and against me that 4 जणां होता आणि आम्ही कितें करता आम्ही फक्त पॉलिटिक्साक लागून करता. I am now saying on camera as indeed we are doing it for politics. Let us for presumption and let us assume that way. But merely because we are doing it for politics, does it mean that the fight that we have carried on, does it become an illegitimate fight? Is it an illegal fight merely because of that? And mind you, we are not doing it because of elections. Elections come and go because we feel that at panchayat level, because there are no political parties, every individual has a right to put forth himself as a candidate so that he can contribute to the village. That is not politics. Politics is what is been done by the man sitting in Talegaon. He is doing politics. It is happening at his instance. आमकां सगळ्या लोकांक खबर आसा गेल्ली कितलीं वर्सां की ताळगांवान सगळे जाण म्हाका भायले सुद्दां लोक म्हणटा की ताळगांवान कितें आसा ताळगांव इज समथींग वीच इज लॉट ऑफ डेव्हलपमेंट. आणि हांव गेली 10 वर्सां सांगता की ताळगांवान फक्त दोनूच गोष्टी जातात. एक तर शेतांतल्यानी रोड जाता आनी त्या रोडा कुशीक बिल्डिंगो जाता आनी कितेंच जायना ताळगांवान. ह्या बिसायड्स दीस तर आनी कितें तर जाता. आय एम विलिंग टू कन्फ्रंट द मॅन एंड हिज मशिनरी including government machinery, all the planners, whoever they are, in public debate, that nothing else is happening. आणि जे पळय तो आमकां प्लॅन दाखयला पळय न्ही, ODP म्हणून दाखयता पळय, खंयचो आउटलायन डेव्हलपमेंट प्लॅन 2028, ऑल्सो आउटलायन डेव्हलपमेंट प्लॅन 2006 are both illegal. I have said this. I have documents to prove to that effect. This is the document which is given to the panchayat by the state legislature. You can plan for your own self. Every detail is given. This is given a go by. And the PDA has been planning for us. And I have told the planners also, including the member secretary. You are not a planner for me. Why? Because you are not doing the job. You are taking government salary, but you are not doing the job. And if you feel that what I am speaking is wrong, it is unwarranted, uncalled for, you please come before me. I am willing to debate with you in public. Full public view. So this is what is happening in Talgaon. Talgaon जब चलना rosy picture जे दाखवला पळय आमकां पळय, it is not the rosy picture. It is only the rosy picture that way. भितर सबस्टन्स कित्याक ना. लोकांचे लायव्हलीहूड मारप. आतां ह्या गांवसान फार्मर बसला पळय, हेंचे लायव्हलीहूड कित्याक मारल्या? हेंचे लायव्हलीहूड कित्याक मारले? In 2000, let me come to the point. In 2005, a land acquisition proceeding was initiated. The moment that land acquisition proceeding was initiated, the farmers went to him. I'll name him now, Mr. Monsara. If this is wrong, let him come and clarify tomorrow or maybe in the evening. They went to him and said, please don't acquire our land. आमचे शेत acquire कर नाका. आता आमचे शेत acquire कर नाका म्हणजे कितें? Clearly means we don't want to give my land. We don't want to give our land. After repeated attempts of trying to convince him, he finally said, "Okay, Tangier Garagade, Mr. Fernandez, at his place he came, and his wife told him very clearly, take everything, don't take my land, because whatever it is, that is our only source of livelihood. We don't want to give our land." And then he said, "Okay, we are not. आपण acquire करना." त्या लोकांक सांगले, हय, सगळे म्हणजे लोक म्हणजे ते 8 जण आशिल्ले ते सगळ्यांनी हे केले की आता acquire जायना. पूण acquire जावच्या पयलीं ताणें सांगलें ताका एक एप्लिकेशन कर. I am coming to the point, which is very relevant. आता त्या दिसा कितें केलें ताणें, आमचे कडेन हे डॉक्युमेंट आसा, ते डॉक्युमेंट आसा, अशें फ्लॅश करून सगळें फ्लॅश करून दाखयलें आनी कितें म्हणलें की these people are illegal. They are stopping something which is illegal. And there is one more thing, let me tell you. Merely because you have a document, including this document, merely because you have a document that does not legitimize it, if that document is in accordance with law, done after following the due procedure of law, then that is a legitimate document. You may be having permissions, GPPDA, permissions are तुमच्याकडे, but whether that permission is based on after you going through a document which is legitimate, then it becomes legitimate. तुमच्याकडे किती आसा? Let's come to the point. एक award आसा, no doubt. That award, copy of the award was never given to the land users. कोणाकूच दिवना. There is neither in the file. We filed the police complaint also because of that. There is nothing to that effect. Let me come to the point. Now, on 17th of February 2007, जे सगळे कोण land users आसा or landowners आसा, they made a application. Now, this application was made to the Sarpanch, who Jani Rosario. Janu, you have to come and answer this. You are an educated man. I believe that you have gone through it, everything, and you have done it. Okay? Then otherwise you are making me suspicious about you and your intentions. Because I talk direct. Now, they said, I'll just read out. Why do I read? Why am I reading it out? Because let the people know that this is what it is. That the set, it is at para number is not there, but that the set notification for the acquisition of land can be withdrawn under section 48(1) of the Land Acquisition Act 1894 from the acquisition of any land of which possession has not yet been taken. This is a very, very important statement. Of which possession of the land has not yet been taken. This is on 17th of February 2007 that the farmers are writing, of which possession has not yet been taken. The Section 48(1) of the Land Acquisition Act 1894 provides that the government shall be at liberty to withdraw from the acquisition of any land of which possession is not been taken, except under Section 36. Now, here पुढे म्हणतात that the undersigned have not claimed any compensation in respect to the said property, nor the undersigned are willing to accept the said compensation if the said notification for the acquisition of land can be withdrawn under Section 48(1) of the Land Acquisition Act. That the undersigned undertakes that they shall not claim any. Now this is an undertaking given by the landowners at the behest of Mr. Monserrat. At the behest of his behest, we are writing to the panchayat that they are not going to claim because this is an undertaking and they have stood by that even today. On withdrawal of the acquisition proceedings, further the government can also cancel notification. Now further, it is humbly requested to pass a resolution. Now this is our statement, that is the farmer's statement. This can be, maybe they may be right, they may be wrong, they may not know the law. But pursuant to this application, the panchayat takes a resolution. Okay? Now this is very significant. Why will a panchayat, I am asking this very pertinent question, why will a panchayat take a resolution to withdraw from an acquisition when you know you have read the application which clearly says you can withdraw only if possession is not taken? It means on that day possession was never taken. On the 17th possession was never taken. Now the representation, this is the resolution, the representation of Mr. Joe Falcao and 8 others, all residents of Talegaon, regarding request to send a proposal to the government to withdraw acquisition, okay, for proposed construction of the Panchayat Ghar in survey number 53/5-12 was discussed and was resolved by the Panchayat to withdraw from the acquisition of land as per their request, since the land acquired are paddy fields, as they shall not claim any compensation. That means now this is an agreement between the Panchayat and the farmers. Okay? Under Section 48(2) of the Land Acquisition Act 1894, inform the government accordingly approved and passed unanimously. All 11 members unanimously agreed that this we have to withdraw. Now, they then write, the Panchayat writes, the Janu Rosario, who was the then Sarpanch, enclosed, please find, this is to the BDO, dated 12/3/2007. The subject is withdrawal of land acquired by the Panchayat to BDO Tiswadi for proposed construction of the Panchayat Ghar. Enclosed, please find here with the true copy of the resolution number 44 of the village Panchayat meeting dated 26/2/2007, because this is post. 17th we are writing, 26 they are resolving for the proposed construction of Panchayat Ghar in survey number so and so, which has been passed by the Panchayat for withdrawal, passed by the Panchayat. That means in legal terms, at least the Panchayat is stopped in law from now forcibly going into the field. Because they told every farmer, we don't want. We don't land acquired for the above purpose as per the request of the farmer, the owners of the land who are using the land for cultivation, in 2007. So also they are given an undertaking that they will not accept any compensation from the government, but only wants their land cultivation. And now tell me one thing, what audacity Mr. Alvaro Lacuna comes before the people and says they did not collect the thing because it was a paltry sum. इतले म्हणतात इतले कोण जाता असे कोण टाकायचं आमका संसारात कोण असतो मनीस इल्लेशे मेळटा गेले ते गेले ते इल्ले मेळटा ते काढून उडयतले भायर कोण आसा आज्ञान कोण जर उडयतलो ते भायर लेट इट टेल दिस तो तरी स्वतः ते असे इल्ले म्हणून काढून भायर उडयतलो आता पैशाची व्हॅल्यू मातशी कमी जाल्या पण पैशाची व्हॅल्यू in 2007-57 it had the depreciation of rupee was not that much. It had value, but that's not the subject matter here. सांगत लोकांची इल्ली आशिल्ले म्हणून म्हणजे पयलीं तुमी तेंचे कडल्यान बरोवन घेता तांकां सांगता की आमी लँड एक्वायर करचे ना फाटल्यातल्यान एक प्रोसिजर करता आनी तेंचे डॉक्युमेंट्साचेर सगळे फॉर सिग्नेचरी घेता कोण तरी कोणे सायन केला का खबर ना आनी मागीर कितें करता एक्वायर्ड म्हणटा 10 वर्सां तुमी तशे रावता around 14 years 14 वर्सां तुमी बेठे रावता म्युटेट सुद्दां करना तुमी तें नांव no mutation proceedings have been done of survey number, this survey number with respect to the field. आनी आतां येता आनी फोर्सफुली भितर येता आनी सर्टन सिटीजन्स आर शी इज ताका इलेक्शनाक लागून हें म्हणटा यू आर पुटिंग एवरीथींग ऑन इलेक्शन्स वी आर नॉट गोइंग फॉर इलेक्शन मिस्टर पुनिया that they lead people of Talegaon to real elections, believe me, you and your company, including your boss, and who is staying in the den, will be out. So let's not talk politics here. If you have to talk politics, we will talk real politics. But this is not the occasion. You are calling her an outsider. You are calling her what not names. Let her answer what she has to say. Unbecoming of the person and the position that you are holding. Because you have come out, don't speak. Speak with substance. Speak with content. Without that, please do not speak. And if you feel, I'm telling you, I'm speaking to you directly, if you feel that yes, you are somebody who are talking genuinely, let us debate this entire topic, entire subject in public, full public view. Ashaniti, your boss is the MLA of Kanchim and Talegaon. They could have come, they could have sorted out with the people. You're not doing that. What you're doing? You are staying somewhere in the den, calling the officers in your den, and then trying to do something, throwing people, the police force at us. We are not even agitating. We were not even agitating, let me tell you. We are only demanding document from you, and believe me, you and your secretary have not given us the documents even to date. But you made a statement in full media view that to come, made the document. You can do this today evening. If you have some courtesy, some decency. Anyway, now, so here are so, at the next step in Ezra, once the government acquires land, as per the land award, you are supposed to mutate. Now I am telling you another piece of evidence which is very vital. Now this is what there were two acquisitions done. One was for the road, Idea Lanes of road development. Idea Lanes of road development. That actually एक acquisition आशिल्लें. And this they are saying according to them it is acquisition for the panchayat level. त्या acquisitionचे mutation झाले. Survey numbers किती? 53/1A, 53/2A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, 8A, 9A, 10A, 11A, 12A. झाले. सगळ्या नोटीस आयल्या तुवें म्युटेट केले ना. म्युटेशन रजिस्टर झाले. सेम टाइम तू आनी एक लँड एक्वायर केले according to you. तुझे सेम that is 53/5 to 12. अजून तुझं म्युटेशन कित्याक करूंक ना? I'll tell you the reason. म्युटेशन करीत जाल्यार लँड ओनराक नोटीस वतले. नोटीस गेल्या बरोबर तांकां कळटलें की बाबा अरे लँड एक्वायर जालें मरे. एणे अमकें सांगलें मिस्टर मन्सरात दॅट सेड इज नॉट टू एक्वायर. हें कशें जालें? कशें जालें? हाऊ इज इट पॉसिबल? सो therefore तूं म्युटेशन करना. You are not mutating the names. And therefore in all the survey forms, okay, names of respect, P.L.R. Fernandez, still there, Falcao, still there, Francis Fernandez, still there, everybody's name is there. So people are rest assured, amchi sheta kenna acquire daamut na. Now, if you are doing anything by cheating, will any court of law consider this to be as a genuine thing? Anything done by fraud can be set aside, including land acquisition. I'm pretty sure. But the point is not that. The point is not being legal and illegal. The man is trying to take our fields, and on top of that, the sarpanch has the audacity to say that आमका compensation घेतले तुम्ही त्या दिसा. Award झाल्या बरोबर land आमचे म्हणता तो. And when I asked him about possession certificate, you only said two things. Even that magistrate who had come the other day, I had asked only one thing. You tell me whether this is a possession certificate. According to you, we are not asking you any further question. Or to ask that was like 302 order. Death penalty. You have to go. म्हणजे हे ताळगाव हे सांगपाचे तात्पर्य कितें? what is the this thing behind this is what is Talegaon for us. And somebody said the other day, I think one of the reporter asked him, I don't know who the reporter, because the reporter was not there. For the first time, you are noticing that we are noticing that fields have been taken over. No, Sarpanch says no. Why you are pointing fingers at there? मडगाव वचून म्हापशा वचून पळय तेणी सगळे लँड घेतला आनी सिटी डेव्हलप करता. I will show you one more document. Now this is a very pertinent document. What is the document? Document is in 2000 and In 2007, there was another land, so-called land was acquired for road in Talegaon. So road असा पळय तो बाटल्यांच्या रामाचे देवळाकडे भितर सरता पळय दुर्गावाडीसान तो road. Now pertaining to that road, there was a query that was filed by somebody. I will not take. This is not my application. I got this from somebody. Original is in my possession. That much I can tell you. Now she says, she was asked. She says, now this is very, very important. This is what is happening in Talegaon for all of us. Yes, road has already been constructed in the said proposed acquisition. So road is already been constructed. It was noticed during the inspection when my predecessor has inspected the site on 12/2/2007. However, possession of the land, possession was not taken of the said land, and award is also to be declared in the said land acquisition proceedings. This is Talegaon. So we need to apply that because I am in a hurry. I have promised somebody. I means I am referring to somebody in a hurry. And my compensation. Where is the procedure? Where is the legal procedure? Are you not supposed to do the legal procedure, or somebody has given you the power, or maybe this present government? I don't know whether they would subscribe to his actions now after coming to know all this. Especially this document. तुमका कसा सूट असा आणि बाकीच्या लोकांना रुपये तळगाव किती असते बाकीच्या लोकांना एक तीन लोकांक मिळना. I would have not made reference to this. This is my court case, but I would like to. He said that in that field that I am trying to interfere. This is the case that I am fighting before the civil court. You are saying that I am interfering there, and I have told you very clearly there in the court, I am not going to give you an inch because you are not entitled for it. Am I not supposed to say that? Why are you making it personal? Why are you making it personal? You are calling a byline. You are calling a byline. We have very good information, reliable information that one of the panchayat member is a foreign citizen. Let the government investigate. We have reliable information that one of the punch member or one of the panchayat member is a foreign citizen. If I had the document in hand, probably I would have told you yes. But we have reliable information. Let the government investigate. Who is that person? Who is a foreigner and who is not? His panchayat or their panchayat is saying that she is a byline. Byline to the outside the country, outside the constituency, outside the district. Byline to mention. You are trying to trivialize the matter. So main mudda asa padai. So main mudda asa. Tu kide karta karta tu personalize करून दवरता. So therefore, now coming to the most vital law. The entire exercise done by the panchayat is based on a resolution taken by the Gram Sabha in 2004, which says that Gram Panchayat resolution as per that panchayat kar करचे. Okay? मागीर आमी तीन resolution घेतल्या. I think there were 4 resolutions because we saw that panchayat pedals were used for construction. On 4 occasions we have taken the resolution that panchayat says unanimously no construction in low-lying paddy fields. The resolution is there with me. The full resolution is there with me. Now, if you are saying that one Gram Sabha gives the power to have this panchayat girl in the field, 3 resolutions are saying no construction in paddy fields. Now, can we exclude the panchayat from it? Forget about other things. Leave the other things aside. Is the panchayat not trying to have the contempt of the Gram? This is not a contempt of the Gram Sabha. We are saying very clearly that no construction in low-lying paddy fields. That is the question of you acquiring. Where is the question of you acquiring? So therefore, you have to come in. As I always say, don't think that this is only a tip of the iceberg. There are more things coming to you, the panchayat members, and the person who controls the panchayat. More documents are coming. We have filed an application before you. Documents not given. Please give us the documents. Please give us the documents because we have asked very pertinent questions. Very, very pertinent question. And since, as per your own statement, that anybody can come, you have to give those documents to me by today evening or tomorrow morning. Entire file. Okay. So therefore, this entire exercise was a fraudulent exercise, so-called land acquisition, where compensation not paid through fraud. fraud. Possession not taken. I am on record. Quote me wherever you want to quote. Possession not taken. That possession certificate has been backdated to make sure that you hold your legal limits. You have not taken possession, and more importantly, Section 12 notice was never given to any of the landowner. Yes, important. What is that? Your signatures too. On 3 different or 4 different occasions, signatures are not matching. We have filed an FIR with the, in fact, he has filed an FIR with the police. Investigate. Criminal offence, 467, 468. You are filing FIR on us. This is a criminal offence. Investigation should be done. If Janu is responsible and the then secretary responsible, hold them guilty. Let trial be held of these 2 individuals. Okay? You are trying to manipulate documents to suit and to give something to your boss. That boss is not the law. Law is the law of the land, and let the law prevail. Now, the landowners have also filed an FIR. The landowners, this is dated 3rd June 2020. They have filed an FIR before the Panjim police saying that we have neither received compensation, we have neither received the award, nor possession of a land is taken from us. So therefore, take action against the panchayat and its members. Nothing done today. So what I am saying is, let's be fair.
First, can you tell us the demands within the 2 minutes and what you are taking the action? What demand and your action?
Okay.
We can't take the entire half an hour footage.
No, that's okay. That is okay. Fine. Demand is this: that land acquisition, proper, let the government. Now, I am told that Babu Kavekar, Mr. Town and Country Planning Minister, has asked for status report from Agriculture Department. It made me laugh actually at first. So I forwarded, but it made me laugh. Not from the Agriculture Department, from the Directorate of Panchayat. Panchayat or the BDO, because Agriculture Department has nothing to do with it. You conduct a proper inquiry. People are there before you. They will come before every inquiry. And until then, stop the dumping which is going on there. Stop the illegal dumping. If you don't do it, mark my word, you will have to excavate. But you will only do one thing. In the entire process, you are going to destroy the benefit. So the government has to take immediate note of it. It's an illegal activity. Kindly stop it. Immediately, the collector who has given the order of police protection should be taken away, because it is not a good order in law. And stop the dumping work immediately. In fact, it can be done immediately, means right away, at this very moment.
What course of action the Kaligo people are taking?
See, the farmers are taking legal recourse. Okay? They have filed a police complaint. That was the first thing. We are waiting and seeing what the police is doing. Now, Xavier has already moved the High Court. Okay? In his capacity as the Kumida, the attorney of the Kumida, and we are waiting for hearing on that. We will see the outcome of that petition, and we will tell you the future course of action. But as of now, yes, we are also taking legal recourse to make sure that the farmers are given their due.
On the 23rd, when the farmers came to know that they are plowed fields, alright, if the panchayat is saying that the land has already been acquired by them, how did they give permission to the farmers to plow their fields? Month of May, fields are plowed, getting ready for the rains. And on top of that, that same night, 23rd night, they broke the wall and they dumped the debris and garbage into the plowed fields. I mean, when someone robs your house, would you go to court first, or you tell your neighbors first, or you tell people that my house is robbed? This is what happened with the farmers. As soon as they came to know what's happening in their field, they got in touch with Xavier and Kundalik. And Kundalik informed all of us after that. I mean, we have to reach first as a community, because we are still panchayat. We are not corporation yet, we are still panchayat. People still have the powers to voice up and question. Right now, if you can see what's happening in the panchayat level, people are being smashed down. And Raj is happening from the MLA level. MLA, Sarpanch. What about the people who have elected them? So when they have a problem, they approach us. When we as public come up front, not as a political front, we were different we were 30 of us who came and we said, show us documents. Wasn't the most important thing for the Sarpanch to come and talk to his people? Who's elected him? The people, right? But did he have the audacity to come and talk to us? He spoke to the media. What a shame. Who's elected him? The media has elected him. Who's given him the votes? When farmers are crying that don't take our land, you're not even ready to listen. I mean, that's crossing the limit of everything. You have to listen to what people have to say. Even at Gram Sabhas, any voter tries to question us, we have been put down. We have videos of fights in Gram Sabhas. We will put that out shortly. How Panch members talk to voters and we try to voice up. This is how Panchayat functions. That is, people don't have power anymore. Panchayat has to be people's power, where people have to voice up. Farmers are saying, don't take our land. Can the Sarpanch come and say, okay, let me look into it? Did he even come and talk to the farmers? Did he come and talk to us? You have the president of the farmers club. You have the secretary who are here. If we strong people don't come up front to voice up for our farmers. When COVID-19 happened down, where are locals of Talegaon went? They went to the villages. They went to the fields to buy vegetables, local produce. Because everything had stopped. Are we dependent on Karnataka? Are we dependent on Maharashtra for our produce? We're taking agricultural land, fertile land, plowed field. This is our bread and butter. We can have kanji if there's no vegetable. We need the rice. And you're taking this from the farmers who are telling you we want the land. Nothing was put forward in front of the panchayat also. They said, oh, we don't have land, we don't have land. Even they have suggested, break down the community center. It is an elephant, it is a white elephant. It's a white elephant. When something is built to gain profit and it doesn't give you, you showed us on 16th of Feb 2020 saying that it has got, the profits are low and the maintenance is high. So what does it become? Why does it break that thing down and build what farmers require? We need markets. We need a good health center. We need a recreation facility for senior citizens, for the children. Till date, nothing is happening. We have a football ground over there. Nothing is being organized. There's no park. The park which was there opposite Mr. Mansara's house, so that is filled up. Used land which is there, right? Why are you taking cultivated land here? I mean, from 2005 to present 2020, they have been cultivating in that land. And after plowing, I mean, it is like you get curses from all over Goa. You don't stamp on someone's bread and butter. And someone's livelihood, which is so important. And it is a shame that Agnel, who's the Sarpanch, called me an outsider, violent. I have Michelle, who was taken to police station. From where is she? She's from Markham, married in Talegaon. I am born and brought up in Vasco, but I have my value. 10 years I've been residing. I'm a voter here, and I have my own place. It's under my name. And you're calling me violent? You're calling only girls who are moving from place to place violent? I mean, don't we have value? Someone who comes from outside, you're calling them violent. I mean, respect one another here. We are here to voice up people's concern. Sarpanch, if you have the audacity, come and talk to us. Simple, just show us the documents. That's all we are asking him to arrest us like criminals. You took him, Pundulik, and all the other 7 of us. One is a teacher. And I was not even asked. I was just picked up. On what grounds can anyone touch me? During COVID-19, can you touch anyone? Can you touch anyone during COVID-19? How dare they touch me? They go in front of everyone. They go touching everyone. How dare they touch me? Respect and say, like, ma'am, please come with us, cooperate with us. No, they just come. BI says, take them straight into the police station. Who are we? We are the respected people of voters of our Talegaon, voicing up for all our farmers. Just because they don't have a strong voice, their children are abroad, they are senior citizens. We are telling senior citizens stay at home, but you are doing everything for their lands, filling up their land. Have you seen the garbage that is dumped? Go inside there and have that stink of the garbage there. It is a shame that their fertile land with all the debris and garbage being put under. After the rains, what will go into it? Is it going to be fertile anymore? So kindly requesting you all, saying that don't call us violent. We are panchayat people, we are voters of the village. Please listen to what the farmers have to say. Show us the documents. If not, we will come and we will protest, but we will do a silent protest. Okay, the 30 of us will come and 30,000 people will come. Take us again and again. How many times will take us to the court? How many times will take us to the police station? We will come and we will keep fighting the battle. Please show the document. Other next week you will see action in front of Panchayat. That's all I have to say.
There is one more thing.
Yeah, how you will look in this legal matter?
Yeah, legal, Mr. Kundali Paikar, my colleague, has already spoken. I just want to clarify quickly some few statements the Sarpanch has made, the allegations. One thing is, he showed the other day he has shown the NOC from the president of Muntida de Talegaon then 2004. So I would like to say that the president has given the NOC in his own capacity, in his own personal capacity, and on the record we have not found any general body approval has been given. Because for this type of land acquisition, approval has to be given by the general body, without body. So that we have not found, so that NOC which is given by the president becomes invalid. Also, the attorney that 2004 has objected in writing to this acquisition, land acquisition. Number two, okay, Cecil has already clarified that about being said she is an outsider. Then also Sarpanch said that the 4 persons who are come forward, they are the guys who always make noise in the Gram Sabha. Mr. Sarpanch, I would like to tell you, these are frontline warriors and these are leaders. All people will not come and speak. So I just want to confirm about that. Also you said, I also say that please abide by the Gram Sabha resolution and don't allow any concretization in the low-lying areas. Mr. Sarpanch, you are also saying that silently you are working. I would like to know what are the initiatives you have taken to promote agriculture. Till now, nothing. For example, the creek, which is pending for last 18 years. Why I am bringing about the creek is, this is the artery of Talegaon village and of agriculture. This, what they have been doing is, they are just removing weeds in few places and they are doing photo shoots. Few days back I have seen Jennifer Musarat and Sarpanch, they were doing some photo shoots and they were saying that before rains we are going to remove all the weeds of the creek. But they have failed to do it and they are deliberately not working on the creek. And this creek has to be done in phases. You do, it's running around 4 kilometers. At least 1 kilometer you can do it in a year. That is desilting and repairing of the retaining walls, etc.
Okay, we just wait with regard to that. So this is what the Gram Sabha is. You are not supposed to release this video.
This is what happens when you question at the Gram Sabha when voter questions. Sorry. The vote.
we have to go. There is a press conference of opposition leader. Farmer and Modi कौन लेता? एक दो वर्ड बोले.
Robert sir.
कौन लेता?
Robert Sangam.
Start.
चांगल्याने झाले पण आम्ही ऐकतले काय सांगणार पण आमची शेतात राहिले आमका येऊन किती तरी सांगून झाले दोन पण घरात जाम पण आम्ही काय सांगणार ना आमपाचे किती असतं काय सांगत ना काय ना सगळे आसान जाय त्यांना आणि आम्ही किती करता
फ्रस्ट्रेट राहा तुमकां फोर्सफुली घेवन येता
आमकां इंट्रस्ट शेताक आमचे इंट्रस्ट मरे आमकां शेताक इंट्रस्ट ना कोण सांगता फोर्स करून येता म्हणून तुका फोर्स करपाक प्रॉब्लेम ना कोणाक न्हू घेतलेल्यांक स्टॉप जाता मागीर
तुमी आपूण स्वताहून येता
हांव स्वताच्यान येयला म्हाका जाय म्हणून
कल्टिवेशन कोण शेत रोयता
सदांच वयता डेली वयता शेताक कोण कोण आसा
नांव कितें
रॉबर्ट
तुमकां थंयसरल्यान
बाबा तूं मागीर सर तूं उलयत कितें
तुमकां लँड एक्विजिशन ऑफिसरा कडेन ती नोटीस बी येयला
पूण फिलिंग करता आसतना तुमी ऑब्जेक्शन कित्याक हाडूंक
तेन्ना तो क्लीन करतानाच गेले ना ऑब्जेक्शन हाडूंक बाबा कितें जालां म्हणजे विचारपाक तेन्नाच गेले न्हू नाल्यार कोण येतालो आमकां 2007 नाल्यार एक्वायर करना आनी तेका लागून आमी सगळें कितें जालें आतां हें कोवीड-19 आसतना सगळें बंद आहा आनी तितून आमकां भितर धरलें आनी हें भायर हें करता
2007च्या उपरांत तुमी कितें कितें रोयलां तुमी रोंग स्टार्ट केले
थोड्यांक कितो गेले म्हाजें एक उरलेलें म्हाजें कितो करपाचें
2000 कंपनी वयतात 2007 तुमी रोवपाक स्टार्ट केलें
त्या पयलीं दिसांनी उबा आतां म्हाका आनी कितें 56 जालें 56 वर्सां पासून आमी शेत रोयता तें आयज म्हाका 56 इयर्स
पूण शेतां आसतना तूं खंय फिलींग केलें तुजें हें आसतना
आतां शेत रोवपाचें न्हू नितळ करतालें शेत कांय करना आतां पावस येता तें रोवपाचें मागीर
आता 22 नितो करता आसतना एकल्या फार्मराक पुलीस येयला धमकी दिली आमी फिलअप करता म्हणल्यार तूं भायर सर म्हणटाले आमी पुलीस स्टेशनार गेल्यार मागीर क्वेश्चन केलो कोण पुलीस ऑफिसर तो आमच्या शेतकाराक वयर काडला पळय ते सगळे कोणूच आन्सर करना
ओके वील क्वेश्चन लेटर पदार्थ तूं कितें उलयता न्हू
हे शेतकार आसा तुजे पाहिजे पाहिजे ते पक्षांतर सिक्युरिटी घालून आणि त्याच्या बद्दल हांव आनी 60 वर्सां तरी हांवें रोयचें पडटलें म्हाज्या आतां देराक काडून तेणें ती शेतांनी माती घातली आनी उरयलें तर हांव कितें हाडटलें आनी आमकां तेणी प्रोसिडिंगची नोटीस दिवंक ना बाबा आमी शेत पडटावो उरयता कितें दिसा पयलीं कांयच सांगनासतना माती घालून उरयलें आतां तेंचो पावर आहा ते पावरार आहा म्हणून तेज्यानी जाय बी तें करूं येता आमी बी रावन पळोवन पडलें
तुगेलें नांव कितें
म्हाजें नांव कामेलो फर्नांडीस
And most of them are senior citizens. You don't expect them to come and hide out on the, you're not supposed to bring them out.
We have to do.
So,
Any more questions from the others? Thank you, John.
so what will be your future course of action?
Now, future course of action depending on how what is the outcome of that court petition. Then what is the outcome of the panchayat? What is also the outcome of Mr. Town and Police, who we have given that signature? Forensic examination आम्ही त्यांना दिला, documents दिल्या, त्यांना 3-4 कडे signatures दिल्या आम्ही, 4 कडे signatures नी मनीसही दुसरे, मागदलेला कोण आणि कोण खरे लोक आहेत ना, एकीकडे P Fernandes मारतात, एकीकडे short मारतात, everything is different. Signatures are not proper. No signature telling or matching on the documents. It's a fraud. And why it is a fraud? It is done because at least at that point in time, सगळ्यांना घवर आले, बहुमनीस करता आणि पुढे वचपाय ना. कोणी वपाचे ना. तुला विचारला एकटो फार्मर सांगता म्हाका आपण फूक मारल्यार पडटलो म्हणटा. तो फूक मारल्यार आपण पडटलो. आपण ना म्हणटा तो. त्यामुळे तुमची जागा वतली, वचून म्हणटा तो.
When the matter is
म्हणलो असं म्हाका.
you being an advocate, when the matter is in the court, it takes decades to finalize.
I am not on that. We are not on that. I know the legal point of this. I also know where it is standing in the court of law. Certainly, but every battle cannot be fought in the court of law. You and I know this is democracy. We may do something there, we may also win, but what has happened now cannot be taken to the court. Court is not interested. Court says show the document. Now this has to be told to the people of Talegaon and elsewhere. हे चल्ला ताळगावात आणि हे चल्ला स्टार्ट झाला ते बंद जावचे ना आता. It is not stopping. Whatever that somebody decided that I am going to come from somewhere and going to rule this as though somebody is dead, those days are over. The message should go out loud and clear. Those days are over.
You will continue a fight.
See, it is not only this. It is not only this. How to say there are so many illegalities in Talegaon, and these are all concerning the people, not private individuals. Sheta आता सध्या that master is there.
At the moment, at least 4 places filling is going on.
Filling is going on right now.
One is near electricity department, one is on the Mall Road, and there 292 bar 1 where the big building is coming next to the church. Okay, that 2012 manifesto, Musarraf said this will be the Joggers Park. On the manifesto he has shown, and then Joggers Park was out, and he has given to the builder, and a big building is coming up there. And that time the Agnala Dipuna was a PA. We have the recording. Agnala Dipuna, he was a PA. He has put a board there. No dumping of debris will be allowed, and Panchayat will prosecute that person whoever was dumping in this low-lying paddy field area. And he is sending Panchayat vehicles only to dump debris. And Mr. Raikar caught that vehicle.
I have video and I have shown
and
you.
He's got a video.
We are part of the Panchayat.
He's questioned the rickshaw, the driver. He said, "Who is an ela? The point is that maka PM darda so lagna dukuna."
Yes. And सांगले
आपण स्पोर्ट घालता आणि आपण डम्पिंग करता आणि जॉगर्स पार्क म्हणता ना तो व्हडली बिल्डिंग मारला. आणि ते कितें तो रियल एस्टेट एजंट वयर तो सारको. हाय लेवलाक तो आणि सगळे बिल्डर. सो तेंचे ही इज अ स्लीपिंग पार्टनर. ते सगळे मागीर हे बोलता हांव बरोवन दिता तुका तूं येवपाक रोखडो हांव बोल्ल्या उपरांत सगळे एविडन्स आहा न्हू हीच आमी बुलेटी बेश्टे वाऱ्यार मारिना कितें फॅक्ट्स आहा ते मारता तेणी ओपन येवन सांगचें आमकां हें तुमी सांगतात कोर्टीक म्हणून आनी आमी पर्सनल कोणाचे हितून वचोना only public related issues we are dealing with. We are not doing personal. Lot of skeletons are in the cupboard. If we go the cupboard open kela जायते पडटले from Miramar to Ingasore, Radhash colony to this area जायते ना skeleton.
How tall
we are not interested in
violation of FER, violation of setback.
But if required then we are not giving them key. But if required then we will go.
And अनेक असं तो आहे resolution. There is a Gram Sabha resolution before when the ODP of 2006 was done. That we want 2 market areas. One is 118/7. Construction Shirodkar. Esmeralda builders. नहीं जाय आमकां मार्केट जे लोकांक त्रास जाता आनी दुसरें खंय आमकां जाय कमर्शियल झोन मॉडल्स स्टेटस आयला नाही आता दोन्ही जाग्यार वचून पळया हे तरी मातशें कमर्शियल कितें एक्टिविटी आसा मॉडल स्टेटस 100% रेजिडेंशियल बट मिनिट्स गेल्ले पयलीं लोकल बॉडी हें आसता पयलीं फीडबॅक आसता लोक रेजोल्युशन घेतलो म्हणजे मिनिट्स आसा आय कनेक्ट ऑल्सो टू वन ऑफ माय केस वी वॉन्ट पडशांच्या लोकांक त्रास जाता ताळगांव येवपाक तांकां ते मार्केट आमचे आनी एक प्युअर रेजिडेंशियल बिल्डींग उबी केल्या Same way, even in GS now they have said creek up 50 meters buffer zone जाय. आज वचून पळय कोणाचे construction area road are pushing where is the buffer?
And they violated the resolution.
Violated, there is nothing which is legal. This actually entire thing has to be there should be a CBI inquiry into all the affairs.
All the rest of Greek area and NOCT le panchayat.
You are demanding this? Are you demanding this?
You have done?
CBI inquiry you are demanding?
There should be a CBI inquiry into the entire affairs of Talegaon. Entire affairs of Talegaon. Because first and foremost, you are planning, which is illegal. You cannot make the plan. Political say very clearly, you cannot do that plan because you are not authorized. And एक time the Russian आले की पुत्तुराच्या नावाने आमका सांगितले what is this पंचायत ग्राम सभा you stay within limits म्हणून आम्ही त्याका पडते बरविले you don't dictate terms to us we are a constitutional body and you are a statutory we prevail over you. The Supreme Court also says the same thing insofar as the DPC, District Planning Committee and the Town Planning Board. DPC prevails over. You cannot substitute the Town and Country Planning Department with the DPC. District Planning Committee is the body under the Constitution. Constitution will prevail. I have document judgment, everything to that effect. Everything to that effect. So therefore, what you are doing today in Talegaon is absolutely illegal. And other than Bambode Chadla, village Chadla.
2 minutes, Mr. Kandida would like to just.
सरपंच म्हाका म्हणलें आपण हांव आसतना ते रेग्युलेशन हांव आसतना गेल्लेलें हांवें मागीर केस केल्ली डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायतीन की हे खराब प्रॅक्टिसींग आनी हे सगळीं रेग्युलेशनां काडली कित्याक थंय पयले आमची मिटींग घेता पयले सायन घेता मागीर मिटींग घेता आनी फाटल्यान रेग्युलेशनां बरयली हांवें अजूनही कंप्लेंट लावून only 14 panchayat.
He was a member in
2004-5. आणि हे आता कोविड येयला ते तरी म्हाका दिसता बरें तोंडाकूच मास्क घालून म्हणटात आमी दोळ्यांक कानांक तोंडाक हेल्मेट आपणें घालून वता तालिगांवचे टोटल तालिगांव घालून ते फूल मास्क तोंडाक बांदा कित्याक लोक पळोवपूय जायना उलोवपूय जायना आयकोवपूय जायना बाबूच्या व्हडलो बाबूस हे मातशें नियम घालचे आनी आख्या गोंयांत घेवपाचें हें जालां फकत तालिगांव आख्या गोंयांत जायना जावपाक आख्या गोंयचो लोक आमकां
आनी एक ते म्हणटाले आमी सिग्नेचर मारल्या म्हणटा आमी सगळ्यांनी February 14, 2020 resolution घेतला तेका आमी सायन मारल्या म्हणटा वी हॅव अप्रूव्ड हाव कॅन वी अप्रूव्ड आमी कितें करता आनी ती मिटींग आसा पळय मिटींग भितर सरलें आनी एक सायन मारता अटेंडन्स रजिस्टर आतां अटेंडन्स रजिस्टराची जी सायन मारल्या पळय ते म्हणटा आमी कन्फर्म आमी रेजोल्युशनां घेतल्या आतां वी आर रायटिंग टू द DOP प्रोसिजर हॅज टू बी चेंज
सेक्रेटरी होयच पडटा होयच त्रासान घालता
पयलीं मारता सिग्नेचर
अजून पासून सेक्रेटरी तिंचो ट्रान्सफर जावन एकूच पाड जालो आमी हांव आसतना आनी तिंचो सेक्रेटरी केन्नाच वचून कित्याक तोच कित्याक जाता सेक्रेटरी तो जाणा सारकें चोरपाक आनी दाखोवपाक गावचे
आनी एकलो सेक्रेटरी आयलो अशें करता म्हूण सांगल्या बरोबर तेणें रोखडोच ट्रान्सफर घेतलो आय विल नॉट नेम आयदर बट त्या सेक्रेटरीचे आपल्याक नाका कळपाक सगळें करता तें आनी इमिजिएटली ट्रान्सफर घेतली इमिजिएटली
The saga of illegalities in Talegaon is such a long history, and yet the people of Talegaon has not come together in unity for any kind of
so what happens, you know, see,
fight.
Yes, it is true.
It's all small fights and all get fizzled out.
Yes.
आणि कितले व्हडली
It's so long. The Montserrat story is such a long saga of illegalities. It's not even down. All illegalities are not even down on paper.
No, that's what I'm showing the documents. These documents, I'll give you the documents. I'll give you all the documents that we got based on which I've made the statements. These are there on record. These are public documents. And the unfortunate part is what it's not that way. What is happening now? See, what I was telling somebody. I dream. To 1 minute. I dream, and I tell my dream to one fellow. And I say, in my dream, I have seen, you know, this is happening, very dangerous. He sells my dream to every person. They convey that my dream to others as though it is their dream. Then finally I get to hear something which was always in my dream, but we all fear now. It is misnomer. Why do you have to fear? Why is it that you and I have to fear? I can understand if there is something genuine. So this is the classic case of Talegaon, where we whisper fear, but there is no fear. In the sense, you know, if we rise up, then there is no fear. That is what I intend. And if we just stand up for it, there is no fear.
And Sarpanch also said that 30,000 people want this new panchayat here. I mean, where, what documentation he has to prove that 30,000 people want this new panchayat?
Exactly.
At the panchayat, the Gram Sabha, signatures are not taken. Nothing is done. So just want all of you all to please help this farmer.
One more thing which I have not told, which can go properly. I don't know whether it will go in your. See, we have told. In fact, I had paid 20,000 rupees to the panchayat by given a check of 20,000 because they said they cannot record the proceedings of the Gram Sabha because they are insisting that you record the proceedings of the Gram Sabha. And they said we don't have money, we have no provision. So I said okay, how many? He said 4,000 rupees per Gram Sabha. I said make it 5,000. Take this 20,000 check. I deposited money in my account and I kept that money there. I said come on, take this money. Record for 1 year at my instance. Okay, not to show that I have too much of money and but you do it. They write that they are in consultation with the BDO or the DOP. They are saying after that. But it is a law which mandates. I think you must be aware of it. It came out 11 times also. It is a law which mandates that every Gram Sabha proceedings have to be recorded, and they form part of the record. Gram Sabha.
Where are the panchayats which do this?
No, there are some panchayats. No, they don't want to do it. That's what I'm showing this video now. How they heckle people. They heckled us the other day. They heckled that fellow called Raleigh. Vishal Raleigh. They heckled him. And because I was
Vishal Poison.
They heckled him. Gaurav Bakshi.
He's also part of Gram Sabha.
They heckled him one day for what? I mean, you are trying to show Dadagiri. Only Dadagiri, nothing you can do. That I think from see how it is. From there the thing goes. See, oh हमको कहा इतने गेला मी उपाचे ने कहा काय कर पाचे ना. Oh okay sorry my bad. And they are living our lives. They are living our lives that way. Why do we have to fear unnecessarily? If you have done something wrong, fear the law, not the person. Not the person.
So we have even Sandra who's come all the way from Sambolda. So she also has faced the same brunt at the panchayat where we try and voice up regarding fees and everything. She's also been facing the same problem.
Let me just say a few words. I'm Sandra Fernandez from Sambolda, and I've been working with around 20 schools in Goa, bringing the children to the fields, to nature. And right now, every year for the past 12 years, I was a professor before I came here because I had this passion. And every year, I'm sure some of you also know me, who have been with me, I have been doing all these farming programs with the kids of Goa. Even during the lockdown, I've done many programs. And we are facing the same problem. It's very similar, the way they treated you, they treated me. 2 years ago, the video was out and there were so many viewers. They actually pulled my hair and they hit us. What our panchayat is doing, just following another tactics. He's collecting all the illiterate women and he's getting them on the people who raise their voices. And I was beaten up and nobody took action. Today, I have fields in Sambolda and I want this to be noted down. I have my grandfather's fields which were passed on to my father and then now they are in my hands. I cannot enter my own field, not to fill my own stomach, but to bring the children, the future on these fields. They come there, they learn about farming, they have a program right from sowing to the harvesting and then how to use the harvest. I've been doing that for the past 12 years. I have all documents, the student media, all the medias. The latest I had was 2 weeks ago about how to bring back the earthworm to our land, how to look after our land instead of using those chemicals. But now, a person like me has to go through so many permissions and I cannot enter my own field. These bloody dogs, they come attacking me on my own field and no law can stop them. Where is the law? Where is the government? They say farmers should be kept up, treated well. Where is the treatment? It's not only enough to give the farmers, it's not our duty only to plant, only to sow. But you have to look at all the problems that we are facing. We have marketing problems, we have so many, and I'm dealing with farmers of Sambolda. Not for 1 and 2 years, 12 years. Being a professor, 12, for 20 years abroad, I've come back. And now, for doing good, this is what I have to face. And all those other people, and who's in there? The Sarpanch. Come on, where are they? What are they doing?
It's a big fight.
He's organizing these gundas and threatening me on my own field. And no damn government can stand up for me. No damn government can stand up for me. And they say, let the farmer, help the farmer. What way are you helping? We are getting thrashed. You want to see the video? I'll send it to you. And at the Gram Sabha, the same thing. At the Gram Sabha, they do this.
The moment you question, they start crashing.
The minute you question, you are like a red flag.
The only solution is recording of Gram Sabha proceedings.
Yes, I have it. I have it.
Mandatory
And
by law.
Cecil, you can't stay only in Talegaon. You have to go all over. This is everybody. It's a plague. It's all over Goa. You can't do anything alone. We all have to stand
We all
together.
have to come together.
Come to
All
Savarna.
farmers of Talegaon should come together. If we don't
Come
get
to
this
Savarna.
document,
Come to
if we
Talegaon.
don't get this document by this coming weekend, then next week I think so full Talegaon and full of Goa should come support.
This
And
is
we
not
should do
your
this.
problem alone. This is all of us.
Because it's high time we can't stay behind and say things will be done, things will be done. We have to come, not bashing up anything, silent protest, but showing in numbers because democracy is numbers. And if we don't do that now, we are finished.
If you are robbing your
We have to
state,
come together. Next
if you are
week
robbing
we have
and
to.
keeping your state, but if
Maybe
you are
next
doing
week
something
we have to
good,
come
you are
together.
condemned. I saw your video the other day, and I think it's high time you come along and get all of us on this thing with you, and we are all ready to give you 100%. United we stand, divided we fall.
Yeah, we all stand together.
Yes, we got to stand together. Otherwise, nothing is going to happen. It is only going to be Talegaon, it's going to be Saligaon, it's going to be Sambalda, and we'll all be dying slow deaths. We have to stand up.
Divide. You will be like British time.
Yeah.
Divide and keep.
Divide and rule. It is not going to work anymore.
I think so unity is what we need all of us to come together. Yeah, it's high time. I mean today 7 of us were taken to police custody. If there are 13,000 of us, you think they're able to take us to police custody?
They'll have to declare Talegaon.
I'm going to send you the
That's
video.
a full prison itself.
Cecil, I'm going to send you the video. What happened in Saligaon and the
Yes,
Gram Sabha
I know.
with the fields. And today, I cannot go to my own field. I'm paying the advocate money every time it's paid.
But if I may ask you, why is it that you cannot go?
There is no rule. This is my right, jungle law.
No, it's your
The minute I go, they send some ladies who just start pulling your hair, hitting you and all kinds of things. You watch the video, I'm going to send it to you, sir. And you'll come to know what type of animals we are dealing with in Savarna. And the first biggest animal is our sarpanch. And I'm not scared to say that because I've got a lot of threatenings also. If I open my mouth, I'll be killed, I'll be raped and I'll be thrown. But I'm not scared. I'll die with pride.
Very true.
Yes, I'm not scared to die.
And that's how we should not get scared, guys.
Yes, even if you're a woman, it doesn't matter.
But seriously guys, thank you so much all the people of Talegaon from Sagarda who have come in and the news reporters. Thank you so much sir. Your good words will able to reach out to masses and thank you once again and may the good word and we can help our farmers not only here but we will see.
Yeah, that's not Bakisha you now, whatever it is.
It's a problem of Goa.
Excuse them.
It's Goa.
Oh, she is there.
So it is.
Another
We
farmer.
make it a concrete jungle. We have to act now. We are still too late. It's not too late. But let us not spare a moment.
Go farmers.
Let us do it.
I think so that I think so we can start.
All go farmers. I had mine Nagari after incident there. Why not network all over Goa farmers? Like,
There are lots of voices.
That's not one union.
Yes.
It's very important now.
It's
Let
not
farmers
there,
come
let's do it.
together.
Cecil, you start the trade. We'll join you. Come on.
Okay.
We'll join you.
Okay, Vanessa, thank you.